I'm with Darren from Safety Dave because Safety Dave has just released their first ever wireless rear vision kit. Now, this is a premium reversing and monitoring solution. It's designed for caravans, motorhomes, four-wheel drives, farm equipment, you name it. This kit's about wireless convenience, reliable performance, and even flexible installation, Darren. So, Darren, what is it about this wireless system by Safety Dave that sets it apart from other wireless reversing and monitoring solutions?
Well, the difference is Safety Dave have been synonymous with the caravan industry for up to 20 years, and Safety Dave prides itself on a few things. One of the things we pride ourselves is on customer service. When someone's dealing with Safety Dave, they know they're going to end up with what we recommend and a good result, what we think is best for them. The other thing we pride ourselves on is a quality product. We haven't gone into this lightly. We've been testing this for up to 2 years, and most people's reaction to us are that wireless doesn't work. So we've made sure that this wireless system is going to work.
And it's available with a 7-inch as well as a 6.2-inch monitor?
Yeah, that's correct. So most people would use a 6.2-inch screen in their car. However, for those with a bigger vehicle, like the American vehicles, or for a motorhome or a truck, you'd probably want to use the 7-inch screen.
So this system, Darren, can support up to 4 cameras?
Yes, correct. So most people would have 1 or 2 cameras. So the most popular version would be 1 camera on the van and maybe 1 on the car to reverse. But seeing as though most vehicles have a canopy now, they can't see out the back, so you'd put a camera on the back of the canopy so you can see there. Then you've got the option to go with up to 4 cameras. You might have cameras on the side of your van so you don't hit anything.
Now, Darren, each camera, though, provides a different field of view. You've got a 45-degree view, a 92-degree view, and what else?
We've got a 120 and a 170 degrees. So I'll just run through what the degrees do. So the traditional view is the 92-degree camera. That's the happy medium between reverse and rear view. So when you're reversing, you can see out the back so you don't hit any trees or any children or any pets, and you can also watch behind you. And when you're watching the traffic behind you, you'll probably see clearly about 50 to 70 metres. The 45-degree camera is the perfect camera, my favourite camera that we sell for True Vision. So the True Vision allows you to see behind you like you're looking with your eyes. The other camera, being the 120, is a wider view. So that's when if you've got maybe a heavier vehicle like a motorhome or a truck, the 120 is much wider, again, so you won't reverse into anything. And the 170, even wider again. So therefore, if you've got a heavy truck or maybe a horse float and you don't want to, and you've got to make sure you're not hitting anything, you go with the 170 degrees.
So if I've got 4 cameras set up, how do I make sense of what's going on in terms of the in-cab display screen?
All right, so with the screen, you can view one vision at a time, 2 visions at a time, 3 or 4. So in the screen, you can set that up to view that on those options. However, there is a scrolling option on the screen where it can rotate itself.
So a couple of other questions for you. First of all, does this automatically pair?
There are instructions in the manual how to pair the cameras. And when you're pairing the additional cameras, you can pair them by going into the pairing mode. However, in between the pairing of each camera, you will need to turn the power off to the car or the van to pair the additional camera. Not only can you view 1, 2 or 3 or 4 cameras at a time, it's also got parking guidelines that you can use on each camera, and there's also recording in the screens as well as night vision.
So, Darren, this is a wireless system, but I see you've got some cables there.
Yes, correct. So the monitor itself comes with a USB connection into the cigarette lighter or into the USB cable. However, you do have the option to purchase a power loom that we sell traditionally with our wired kits as well. There is the option to purchase a 2-metre cable should the power source be in another location.
So I can see, Darren, that the kit comes with everything that you need for smooth operation and installation. So, mate, thank you. I think this is a fantastic innovation. I'm sure it's going to go well. And what's next for Safety Dave?
Oh, we're very proud of this. We're always coming up with new initiatives. So hold on to this space and you'll see what Safety Dave come up with, because it's very exciting.
And if people want some more information on this product, where would they go?
Well, they can always head to our website, safetydave.com.au, or you can actually phone us. We answer the phone on 1800 072 338, and we're there to assist you with all your requirements.
How about that, folks? A company that actually answers the phone and is willing to talk to you. I think that's brilliant, especially in this day and age. Darren, thank you so much.
It's been a pleasure.